In this video, let's learn how to delete conversations in ChatGPT on your Android phone. So firstly, in order to delete the conversation, you just need to log into your ChatGPT account. Whether you have the app on your Android phones or if you don't, you just open up your web browser and then log into your account. Search for chat.openai.com, and if you are logged in, you'll directly land on this page. Now from this page, you just tap on the three lines or the hamburger menu on the top left. From here on the top, you can see all of your chats and the topics that you've added or asked ChatGPT about. Now to delete the conversation, you just tap on the clear conversation option, which should be showing on the bottom. Again, tap on confirm clear conversations. And after you do that, as you can see, all of the topics and the conversation topics have now been removed from this section. Whenever you add in or type in anything on ChatGPT, it automatically gets added in this section right here. Now you'll also have an option to edit it. If you tap on this pencil icon, you can also rename it to whatever you want, and also delete it by tapping on this trash can icon and tap on the tick mark. And that's it. That's how easily you delete conversations in ChatGPT using your Android phones. If you liked this video and found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe and leave this video a like. That's all for today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.